hear the sound.
So hey friends, in this video we are gonna unbox and review this Enyo Republic Booyah wireless speaker. So friends, first we are gonna see what's written on the box, then we are gonna move inside the box. As you can see, there's a picture of the speaker over here, and on this side some features like wireless Bluetooth 4.1 16 watt of speakers, 50 drivers for deep bass, IPX7 water resistant, which is a good thing, 12 hours of playback time, dual mode connect to Booyah's wireless speakers, which I'm going to explain in the video. So you can see another picture of the speaker and some specifications about the speaker, which I'm going to explain over here. So let's move inside the box. So as you can see, it's very well sealed. So let me grab my knife so I can remove the seal on the speaker. So as you can see, it opens up like this, and the first thing you see is the accessory box. I think so. You can see there are some things made. You can see the symbols. I think this is the accessory package over here. So let's open it first. So this is your this is your manual, Booyah manual. This is your charging cable, USB, and this is your aux cable, which you need if you want to connect it to your device. This is for the safety of the speaker, and this is the speaker. Other than that, there is nothing inside the box. As you can see over here, same type of cushioning to keep the speaker safe. So this is the speaker over here. Wow, it looks very good, and these look damn good actually. So friends, till the time I clean up all this mess, you can take a look at the speaker. So hey friends, as you can see, this is the Enyo Republic Booyah out of the box, and first we're going to talk about the build quality and design on the speaker. Build quality wise, the whole speaker is made out of fabric. As you can see, there are some elements given which are plastic and rubber, like on the top and the bottom. You can see these are made out of rubber to give the speaker a proper grip, so it should not move when you play a high intensity bassy kind of music. And this part and the ring around it and the center part, which looks like a bass radiator, but this is not a bass radiator. This is just a design element. I also thought this is a bass radiator, but no, it's not a bass radiator. So this housing and this part is made out of plastic over here, softest plastic, which feels very high quality. This center part is also made out of rubber. These are the power on off button, volume up, volume down. These are some LED indicators for the speaker, which I'm going to explain in the later part of the video. You have a USB in for charging and an aux in on this device. So these are the only connectivity options you get with Bluetooth. And this is your Enyo Republic branding. There are lots of Enyo Republic branding on this speaker, like over here, the upper part, everywhere you see on this speaker there is a Enyo Republic branding. You get this strap pre-installed on the speaker, so you can just carry the speaker anywhere with you if you are trekking somewhere. And the build quality wise, the build quality on the speaker is damn good. Like, it's very incredible. At this price point, the speaker can feel so premium. The fabric is a very common thing right now, because I have unboxed many speakers cheaper than this speaker, but are having fabric which are of great quality. This is also a very great quality speaker, and at this price range I feel like this is one of the best build speaker, because as you can see, the fabric on this side is very well tucked in. On this side also, it's very well tucked in inside the housing. The quality, when you will pick the speaker up, you can feel that heft in the speaker, which makes the speaker feel very high quality. It's damn good. The build quality is superb on the speaker. And friends, design wise also, it's portable in my opinion. It is just the size of the JBL Flip 3 or the Flip 2. I haven't seen the Flip 4, so I don't know about it, but it's just the size of the Flip 3 or Flip 2. It is not bigger than that. It's lightweight also. It's not that heavy. This is a 16-watt speaker, by the way, and it can fit anywhere in your luggage. It will not take that much of space because of the circular design. The build quality, the design is top notch on the speaker. I love the design. It can give you a 360 kind of a sound also, because it has a speaker over here and over here. Because of this ergonomic design, they can put in such kind of speaker setup. So friends, features wise, you can expect all the features you get in a speaker under 3000 rupees. Like this is a 16 watt speaker made out of fabric, very high quality. You get aux in on this speaker, nothing else other than that. You get the charging port inside here. You can pick up calls from this speaker. The battery on this one is 2000 mAh and the playtime is a whopping 12 hours as it's written on the box, and the charging time is about 2 hours. If you have a fast charger, you can use that, so it will take about 1.5 hours or 1 hour. And this is a IPX7 water resistant speaker, which is a superb thing in my opinion, because at this price point I haven't seen any speaker giving you this kind of IPX7 rating. And you get latest Bluetooth, you get auto shutdown feature with this speaker. So friends, now we're gonna move to the sound test of this speaker and see how the 16 watt speaker to my S8, and the name of the song is DJ Turn It Up, and the volume from this device is full, as you can see over here, and from the device also it's full. Yeah, so now I'm going to play this song, and this is a 16 watt speaker, by the way.
DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Tell the DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Tell the DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Tell them play that shit again, tell them that you like that. Like DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Tell the DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Tell the DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Tell them play that shit again, tell them turn up the bass. DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Tell the DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Tell the DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Tell them play that shit again, tell them that you like that. Like DJ turn it, DJ turn it, DJ turn it.
How the speaker sounds. Now we come to a conclusion that the sound from the speaker is very loud. As per the quality of sound is also very incredible. It's just terrific to see at this price point this speaker can sound so good. The loudness is damn good. It's very loud for a 16 watt speaker, and the bass is also good. Like for the speaker, it keeps up with the loudness. Like it, you cannot feel it. It's not that punchy, but there is a good amount of bass. But the loudness, it's damn loud. And friends, the sound quality is too good. The build quality is awesome in my opinion, because I've unboxed one more speaker of this brand, and you can see there's a card appearing over there. Click on the card and watch that video also, because that speaker is also fantastic. That is also 16 watt speaker, and I'm going to compare that speaker with this speaker. Yeah, that comparison is going to come pretty soon. And friends, if you want to see any other speakers compared with this speaker, you can comment down below. So friends, if you want to buy this speaker, this is a great speaker in my opinion, because you can see it's a very ergonomic speaker, very practical design. The build quality is too good. The features provided are also awesome, and the sound, the main part about a speaker is the sound. The loudness, it's very loud. The bass part, which I felt that was only less, because it was not as punchy as other speakers which I've seen at this price point. But there is a good amount of bass which will be very adequate in my opinion. But still, I feel like they should have put some more punch in the sound. The loudness is damn good. Only the bass part, I think they can do it more better. So friends, if you want to buy this NU Republic Booyah, you can see there's a link in the description. Please go to that link and buy this speaker. Or if you want to check the price or the different colors in the speaker, you can see there's the link in the description. Do check that out. Thank you for watching friends. This is it for now. This is the unboxing and review of the NU Republic Booyah. Thank you for watching friends.